The bamboo I have behind my hot tub took heavy damage last winter, causing it to barely grow in this spring. That would mean another year waiting for it to fill in, so I had to do something different. I ended up removing the bamboo at the start of the spring. Now this was a little bit easier for me in this place because I had it in these pots, and so really it was a matter of just pulling the pots out with a dolly to get it out from back behind that hot tub. Once I had all the bamboo out, I used decorative reeds along the fence to hide the old fence, also give the fence a little bit more height, and add some tropical flair to this corner. After that was finished, I added 2 windmill palm trees in the ground. I've also since added some musa basjoos in a pot between the 2 palms and some ferns down below. Now it is a bit crowded back here, but I like crowded. As the palm trees grow taller, it'll free up some of the lower space and will provide good greenery in front of the reed screening. The banana plants will add an additional dimension and should be able to grow to a good size each year in the larger pot. While the bananas will defoliate in the winter, the palm trees will not, and the reed will provide enough privacy to continue enjoying the hot tub even with the bananas not there.